Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This video is not going to be about a cocktail, but it's going to be about a mixer, and that's going to be a triple sec or orange liqueur. If you watched all my videos so far, you see a lot of them will use a triple sec. And I have a video to how I used to do that. You can click that right here and see how the process is done. I have changed the recipe, and that's kind of what I wanted to share with you guys. In the last couple of videos, I've talked about it. I said I was going to share the recipe, so this is it. I'm not going to go through the whole process of it. It's going to be the same thing. But I'm going to do the breakdown of how we brought this down to 1 gram of carbs per ounce. So, and here we go. This is my low carb triple sec orange liqueur, whatever you want to call it. This is what I use instead of a triple sec or a Contro or any type of orange liqueur that's needed. So the breakdown is this. We're using 2 cups of the granulated Splenda, which is 48 grams of carbs total in those 2 cups. After that, we're going to be adding 3 cups of water. We're going to add 1 cup of Everclear. We're going to add 2 cups of vodka. So that's going to be a total of 48 ounces of liquid. And you add in 48 carbs to that, you divide that out per ounce, 1 gram of carbs per ounce. The triple sec video, if you've watched it or if you're going to watch it, you'll see that I peeled the oranges with a knife. Going a few other steps with it now. I'm using a potato peeler, so that leaves out almost all the pith is left on the orange and not on the rind itself. So get a lot more orange flavor, a lot less bitter flavor, and I find that's kind of why I don't need as much of the Splenda as I did before. One other thing I also added to it is a 1/4 teaspoon of extract. I'm not sure if I added that in that video or not because I've played with it both ways and I don't remember what I did the video on. But like I said, let's go back to what it was. There's going to be 2 cups of Splenda, 24 ounces of water, 8 ounces of Everclear, 16 ounces of vodka. I used the skins of 8 oranges in extract. So that's going to be the recipe, guys. Also, you've seen some of the videos where I've done some blue cocktails, and this is, where's that right here, in my trusty Captain Morgan's bottle. All I did is added 10 drops of food coloring to the triple sec substitute and got my blue curacao. So that's all it is, guys. So I just want to take a minute because I told you guys I was going to be putting this recipe out there again for you guys, tweaked out because I believe the video that I have posted had 2.5 grams of carbs. This has 1 gram of carbs per ounce. So that's it, guys. You have a great night. Thank y'all for watching. Give us a thumbs up, share our videos. Please share our videos with your friends. And just, tell me what I can do to help you enjoy your cocktails low carb. And don't forget, click subscribe. Y'all have a great night.